We are in a new chapter, Death of Partner. This is an introductory video for this chapter, Death of Partner. We will begin by understanding the effect of death of partner on the partnership business. The effect of death of a partner. Partnership firm comes to an end on the death of a partner. However, the remaining partners can decide to continue the business by an agreement between themselves. So, what is the main difference between retirement of partner and death of partner? Retirement versus death of partner. Retirement can be planned, whereas death cannot be planned. In the case of retirement, the amount due is paid to the retiring partner, whereas in the case of death, the amount due to the deceased partner is paid to his legal representatives or executors. Next, what are the issues that need to be addressed at the time of death of partner? The following issues need to be addressed. The first one, change in profit sharing ratio. Second one, adjustment for goodwill. Third, adjustment for reserves, accumulated profits and losses, and the fictitious assets. Fourth, adjustment for revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. 5. Determining the amount due to the deceased partner. 6. Payment of amount due to the deceased partner's legal heirs or executors. And 7. Adjustment of capitals of the continuing partners if it is so agreed between them. What we will not learn in this course. What we will not learn because the treatment is the same as that of retirement. Determination of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. The treatment of goodwill. Revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Treatment of reserves, accumulated profits and losses, and adjustment of capitals. So among the issues that need to be addressed, which we saw in the previous slide, these 5 issues will not be covered in this course of death of partner. The reason being, it has already been covered in retirement, and dealing with the issue in the case of death of partner is the same way as you would deal with in the case of retirement. What we will learn in this course. We will learn how to determine the amount which is due to the deceased partner. In order to get the amount which is due to or from the deceased partner, we need to prepare the deceased partner's capital account, which I will discuss in detail in the very next slide. On preparing the deceased partner's capital account, the balancing figure will be transferred to deceased partner's executor's account, and this is the amount which is due to the deceased partner. The second thing which we will learn is the journal entry for the payment of amount due to the legal representatives or the executors of the deceased partner. So these are the two items which we will learn in detail in this course. So we said that to determine the amount which is due to the deceased partner, we need to prepare the deceased partner's capital account, and the balancing figure of this account will show the amount which is due to the deceased partner or from the deceased partner. So let's see the format of the deceased partner's capital account. This is a format of the deceased partner's capital account. On the credit side, by balance brought down, representing the credit balance of capital account. Now, in case the deceased partner has a debit balance of capital account, it comes on the debit side as to balance brought down. Credit balance of current account of the deceased partner will be transferred as by partner's current account, and any debit balance of partner's current account will be transferred as to partner's current account. The share of gain on revaluation of assets and liabilities will come as by revaluation account, and the share of loss of the deceased partner will come as to revaluation account. Share of reserves and accumulated profits will come on the credit side as by reserves or P&L account. Share of accumulated losses and fictitious assets will come as to profit and loss account or advertisement suspense account. The existing goodwill appearing in the asset side of the balance sheet will be written off, and his share will be debited to the deceased partner's capital account as to goodwill account. The fresh valuation of goodwill will be debited to the gaining partners, and it will appear as by gaining partner's capital account. For share of profits of the firm up to the date of death, we'll have by profit and loss suspense or the gaining partner's capital account. For interest on capital balance up to the date of death, again by profit and loss suspense account. And for salary of the deceased partner up to the date of death, as well as a commission up to the date of death, it will come as by profit and loss suspense account. On the other hand, any share of loss of the deceased partner in the firm up to the date of death will come as to profit and loss suspense or gaining partner's capital account. The drawings of the deceased partner for the current accounting period up to the date of death will come as to drawings account. Interest on drawings will come as to profit and loss suspense account. The partner's loan, which is appearing in the liability side of the balance sheet, the firm has borrowed from the partner, will come as by deceased partner's loan account, and the loan account appearing in the asset side of the balance sheet, which the partner has borrowed from the firm, will come as to partner's loan account. Interest on loan payable by the firm to the partner will come as by interest on loan account, and interest on loan which is charged by the firm on the loan which is taken by the partner from the firm will come as to interest on loan account. The balancing figure of the deceased partner's capital account will be transferred to the deceased partner's executor's account, and this is the amount which is finally payable to the deceased partner and his executors. The second item we said we will deal with is how to settle the amount which is due to the executors of the deceased partner. So settlement of amount due to the executors of the deceased partner. The amount due to the deceased partner's executors may be paid immediately, or it may be treated as a loan which will be paid later on. The entry to be passed is deceased partner's executor's account debit to bank account where the amount is paid off, or to executor's loan account where the amount is transferred to the executor's loan account to be paid later on. So we've seen in this slide an introduction to the chapter of death of partner.